Good morning, students. So, today we are starting with the syllabus of your half yearly exams, and we are going to start with a new chapter in SST. Okay, so we are starting with the first chapter of your half yearly, that is the world we live in. Okay, we are starting with chapter number 4 in SST, the world we live in. So, I want you all to take out your books and start reading with me and try to understand the chapter. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me later, you can text me. All right.
You have read earlier that the earth's surface is divided into land and water. Okay, so the surface of the earth is divided into two parts, land and water. Okay, you can see this is the map of the planet Earth. The pink region is the land. The pink region is the land. The blue region is the water. The blue region is the water. Okay, so planet Earth is divided into land and water, in two parts, land and water. Okay, the large area of land are known as continents. The pink region is the land. Yes, so our planet Earth is covered by land area, huge land area, which we call as continents. Okay, the land area is the continents. Okay, and the blue area is called as the oceans. The blue area is the oceans. ठीक है, हम लोग अर्थ में रहते हैं और अर्थ पे लैंड है, ज़मीन है और पानी है. ठीक है, तो हम इस पिंक एरिया को बुलाते हैं कॉन्टिनेंट्स. वी कॉल द पिंक एरिया एज द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. ओके, एंड जो पानी का एरिया है उसे हम कहते हैं oceans. Okay, all right, now let's read ahead. The large areas of land are known as continents. The large area of water are known as the oceans. The smaller areas of water are known as the seas. छोटा छोटा एरिया जो है उसे हम सी कहते हैं, बड़ा एरिया जो है उसे हम कहते हैं oceans. Okay, look at the map of the world given below. You will find that there are 7 large continents. Okay, there are 7 large continents on planet Earth. 7 continents है हमारे Earth पे. What are those? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica and Europe. Okay, these are the 7 continents on planet Earth. हमारे Earth पे 7 continents हैं. Okay, these continents are separated from one another by oceans. Can you see the gaps between the continents? Yes, so these continents are separated by small gaps of the oceans. Okay, you can see this is the Arctic Ocean, this is the Indian Ocean, this is the Pacific Ocean. Yes, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic are the 5 oceans. These are the 5 oceans on planet Earth. So, on planet Earth, we have 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, children, you can write it at the side of your book. we have 7 continents and 5 oceans. You all write it at the side of your book, okay? Now children, always remember these 2 points. All right? We are also going to read, did you know? Asia is the largest continent on earth. This is very important. Asia, can you see Asia? Yes, Asia is so big. I think it is still here, then starts Europe. So Asia is the biggest continent on planet Earth. These are smaller ones. Yes, Asia is the biggest. India is a part of Asia. Where is India? Can you see this? This is India. Okay, so India is a part of Asia. Australia is the smallest island continent and is known as the land of golden fleece. Australia is the smallest continent. Out of all the continents, all the 7 continents, Australia is the smallest and it is known as land of golden fleece. This is for your general knowledge, okay? Now let's read ahead. Landforms. Landforms are natural features of landscape or natural physical features on earth surface. Okay, so landforms such as hills, valleys, plains, plateaus. Yes, these are landforms. Some examples are given. Valleys, plateaus, mountains, plains, hills, glaciers, etc. So these are some types of landforms. Okay? Hills, mountains and valleys. Hills, mountains, valleys. These are types of landforms on earth. So we are going to study about different forms of landform that we find on earth. A mass of land raised well above its immediate surroundings is called as a hill. Okay, so you can see this is land and this is raised land. उठी हुई ज़मीन. Okay, so we call the raised land, उठी हुई ज़मीन को हम कहते हैं hills. We call it as a hill. A mountain is a very tall, high, natural place on earth, higher than a hill. Okay, so the areas, the raised land that is bigger than the hill is called as the mountain. Hills छोटे होते हैं, माउंटेन्स बड़े होते हैं. बड़े बड़े जो रेज्ड लैंड हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं माउंटेन्स. छोटे एरियाज जो उठे हुए हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं हिल्स. ओके, वी कैन क्लाइंब अ हिल. वी कैन ईजिली क्लाइंब अ हिल. हम आराम से एक हिल पे चढ़ सकते हैं. टू क्लाइंब ऑन अ माउंटेन इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. माउंटेन पे चढ़ने के लिए बहुत मेहनत लगती है. नॉट एवरीवन कैन डू इट. ओके, सो माउंटेन्स आर हाई, hills are low. The top of a mountain is known as a peak. Let's see a mountain. This is a mountain. Okay, this is a mountain, children. Okay, this is higher than the hill. These are small hills. These are higher mountain. Okay, so this is the top of the mountain. This is the top of the mountain. This area we call it as a peak. This area we call it as a peak. Can you see here? Peak or highest point. Okay, this is the highest point. So the highest point of a mountain is the peak. It is called as the peak. When many mountains are joined together, they are known as a range. Can you see many mountains? They are joined together. इकट्ठा बहुत सारे mountains एक साथ हैं. And together they are known as range. This is a range of mountain. A valley is a low-lying area between two mountains or hills. Okay, now children, these are two hills and this is the area between the two hills. So the area between any two hill or any two mountain, the area is known as a valley. Okay, बीच में से जो रास्ता निकलता है दो हिल्स के, उसे हम कहते हैं वैली. A low-lying area between any two hill or any two mountain is called as a valley. जो ज़मीनी एरिया है किसी भी दो हिल्स के या माउंटेन्स के बीच में, उसे हम कहते हैं वैली. Okay? Okay, children. So we will start with plains and plateaus from our next class. Till here we are going to study and I want you all to read how much we have read today, revise and ask me questions. Whatever questions you have, you can ask me. Underline what all is important. Underline all the 7 continents and 5 oceans and remember that. And try to read it thoroughly. Okay, you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you.